may talagang nag-express ng support, they send their staff, discrete meetings.
Okay.
Laging sabi namin, well, we don't mind, but maybe for this time, we just want to make sure na yung kanyang citizens profile ay principal. Pero sasabihin ko na po ngayon, there are actually both corporate and political figures who are actively supporting yung in-kind donation, facilitating our links, and they were also willing to accept na at least for this mission, ano muna kayo, parang background muna kayo, walang mga billing-billing. Kasi pag nagsimula yun, siyempre,
Nako.
malalagyan ng masyadong political, whether partisan yan, pro or anti. Pero we have reached out across the whole spectrum. Kasi nga sabi namin, this is one issue na kayang across the political spectrum magkaisa. Kasi hindi naman napakabigat. Pero at the same time, hindi rin naman simpleng issue ito. Because pag hindi, sabi nga, pag tayo mismo mga Pilipino do not appreciate what belongs to us legally and by international law, and for example, implication yan, kung atin ito, sigurado bang ipoprotect natin rin ang mangroves? Sigurado ba hindi tayo mag-illegal or destructive fishing? Madaling banatan yung ibang nang pumapasok. Pero tayo mismo. So, I think may implication sa parang soul-searching rin na hindi lang ito, the same thing, sabi na, may politika, you cannot avoid that. Everything gets political in the Philippines. Lalo na midterm elections are coming. Pero pwede ba nating downplay muna yan for now, saka na natin i-sort out, lalo na siguro by the time yung summer mission happens, baka the time mas explicit na kasi hindi na maitatago, and then baka nagkasundo na rin ng protocol o sino ba ang pwedeng magsalita saan. But we would prefer nga na iba't ibang kulay ang kasali kaysa iisa lang.